Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BubblePOP here, and on today's show, we are doing a Mexican slime shop review. We got a big box of slime right now. Bubble teens, here we go, and we're kicking it off with this box of goodness. I had ordered this maybe like a week ago and I got it and I am just so excited to share it with you. So the actual name of the slime shop is Slime Vida. Look how cute that is. They have their own little logo. It's got like piñatas and it's super bright. And this little piñata sticker right here was also included in the slime box. It's so super cute. I love the colors. Adorable. It's finally time to start the review. I'm going to pop everything out of that box. We're going to go through the slimes. We're going to go through the little extras they threw in. They even put some like little candies in there. So let's take a look. I guess we'll start with the extras. We got some goodies here. We got candy, some extra little things. And normally when you order from slime shops, they will give you some little bonus little items. Okay, so this Jugo de Sabores, adorable. This is like a little, almost like a hard candy. I've shown this before on BubblePOP Kids. I've shown it on like a candy video. These are really good, and strawberry flavor. They also added, I love these. This is a paleta payaso, and it's basically just like a little chocolate pop. I can show you what it looks like. It's got a marshmallow. Delicious. I've also showed these on one of my candy videos. It's breaking apart. Let me see. All right, the stick came off. Here we go. We got like a little gummy face, a big marshmallow, and chocolate. I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to eat this right when we're done. And they also included this little bag of extras. Alright guys, so inside of this little baggie here, we got a lot of other goodies. I love these. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. They're called Duvalin. And basically, it's almost like a Nutella with a strawberry cream. They're just like little candies. They're hazelnut. They're really good. And I love these as well. These are very, I can't describe it. It's kind of like a mango and a chili lollipop. It's kind of sweet and sour. They are super good. We also get this really cute little sticker. It's so cute. It says Capri Slime Vida. So I guess it's just like a sticker for their slime shop. And of course, we get some instructions in case the slime melted and a little packet of borax. Put those little sweet treats to the side and begin the review. We get the first one right here. Some pan dulce. Now, if you guys have never had that before, let me just show you the adorable charm they put and maybe you'll recognize it. It's like a little Mexican, almost like a sweet bread. They sell it in bakeries. It is so super good. And sometimes they come in green or pink. This is just like the plain bread color. And here's a slime. I got it in 6 ounces. Whoa, look at that. It does seriously look like bread dough. Oh my goodness, I gotta get a real one of these because I eat these all the time. So not only does it look like bread dough, it seriously smells like pan dulce. Just look at that. It's got that sweet bread smell. Doesn't exactly smell like butter. It's got kind of like a, not a honey scent. I can't really describe it, but it smells exactly like this. Whoa. I do not know how we're gonna top this one. I mean, this is unbelievable. It looks like I have some bread dough in my hands and it smells delicious. It smells sweet. It smells a little bit like honey. And just look at the texture on that. It is like the perfect cloud slime. I definitely could not make this texture by myself. Unbelievable. There you go. That was slime 1 of 1. Unbelievable. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I loved it. I'm going to pop this little charm right in there. Move on to the next. Psh. Number 2, and it looks amazing. It looks totally different than the bread one. Look at this, you guys. It's got all those little beads. It looks like either glass or plastic, of course, and it's got all the glitter. This one is called Del Mar, and I guess it's supposed to be like the ocean. Cannot wait to smell it. It also came with a charm. Now this is adorable, you guys. It comes with like a little mermaid tail or a mermaid fin. And look how much that matches. You just plop it in there as like a little decoration. Wow. have the Del Mar. Now look at this slime, you guys. Unbelievable. This seriously smells like the beach. I don't know why. It either smells like the water, like the salt water, or maybe some beach lotion. But just look how pretty this is. It's almost like translucent. The only thing I do have to say a little negative about this one, I think it is a little bit overactivated. Just a little bit. It could be a little bit stretchier. It does kind of break apart if you stretch it quick, but who cares? Just because it's unbelievable. Another thing I love about this one, the little glass beads or the little plastic beads, they stay in. They don't pop out. When I try to make slime like this, they pop all over the place. So it really, really holds it nice. And with this, I would think that I could just stretch, but like it just kind of like breaks. So that is the only downside of it, but it smells amazing. It's got all of this glitter. It's got a beautiful color. It almost looks like water. But I just wish it was a little bit more stretchy. Number 3, we got the Slime Vita Signature. This is the signature slime to the slime shop, and it is just unbelievable. It's totally clear. It's got pom-poms. It's got like all this glitter. It just seriously looks like a birthday party in a jar. It's got this cute little decoration. I've never seen that. Check it out. Whoa, I have never seen anything like this before. So first of all, I gotta check out the slime. Wow, it is in perfect condition, you guys. It's not melted, it's not too sticky. It is crystal clear, and it's got all this goodness. It looks like sprinkles and like little fireworks. Look at the colors in this, you guys. It almost looks like a funfetti cake. Unbelievable. Alrighty, so we got the pom-poms. We have these little stars. There's almost like little sprinkles in there. And it is perfect. I had to activate it just a little bit because it got a little bit too sticky. So it's not as clear as it was, but it's really, really good. It's not scented. This is the only one so far that hasn't been scented. But who cares? Because it's beautiful. It looks like a little birthday party. Loving this one. I love the little stars. I've actually never seen those in slime before. Amazing. Number 3, the signature slime. Amazing. Look at that. Just when you pull on it, it's got all of those colors and confettis. Love it. This one definitely gets a 10 out of 10 just for the container alone. That is amazing. Next up, we got some candy. This is the one I've been waiting for, you guys. I was so excited when I ordered it, and I cannot wait to see it. So if you are familiar with these little Mexican candies here, I actually eat them all the time. Whenever I go to Walmart, I find them. These are called pelon, and they're like a tamarind kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a red paste, kind of sweet, a little bit spicy. And let me just show you, because this is actually the slime container, believe it or not. And this is the real candy. With these little candies, here is what you do. There's like a lid on there. You just pop it off and you squeeze down. It almost looks like hair. It's like this little guy's hair. You squeeze it. Now this is what it looks like, you guys. It looks like this red kind of paste. And if you notice, it kind of looks like one of those Play-Doh people that their hair pops up when you push on it. It is delicious. This is actually the Pelon Mini. They have big ones, pretty much the same size as the slime container, but I only found the little one. So now that you're familiar with the candy, let's take a look at the matching slime. You can see it's got the same name on there, and they actually included 2 of these little containers. Look at this. Wow. It smells like mango. It smells a little bit like chili, and this is the real candy. So just look how that color is spot on. It's got the identical scent, and it's like a perfect texture. It kind of feels a little bit gritty, like it looks like it has some sugar or something in there. I don't know what that is. There's a big glob of the pelon. Look how amazing this looks. I could squish on this all day. It's got this amazing color. It's really, really stretchy, and it definitely, I think it has some snow from like the cloud slime, because it's got like little pieces. It almost looks like sugar, a little bit gritty. Amazing. you press on this little container here, oh my goodness, you guys look at that. It pops out of the container just like the candy would. It looks exactly like the candy. It smells like it. I just can't get over this. Kind of looks a little bit like Play-Doh. This definitely gets a 10 out of 10. I can't get enough of it. Amazing. Next one is, let me take a look. Oh, this is a maze. We got the horchata, the aguas frescas. It actually comes with little ice cubes, you guys. That is so adorable. And if you've never had this drink before, it's kind of like a cinnamon milk. It's very milky. Whoa. I literally cannot wrap my head around. Look at it. It is so cool. It's got kind of like a gummy texture. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of gummy-like. It does have a little bit of like cloud slime, but it definitely doesn't feel like a cloud slime. And it smells like cinnamon milk. You know what it smells like after you eat the Cinnamon Toast Crunch? The milk. That is exactly what it smells like. This one is super refreshing. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a little bit of like coconut milk, it smells like. And it comes with these ice cubes. Look at that, you just pop them right in there. These are adorable. They almost feel like they're glass, but they're definitely like a plastic. If you look closely, you see all those little speckles. It almost looks like little pieces of cinnamon, and I seriously think that's what it is, because it smells too cinnamony. Has to be. At number 5, and it gets a 10 out of 10. Look at those little ice cubes. Adorable. No! Oh my goodness, you guys, we are on to the final one, and I can't even believe it. I could look at these all day. This is another pan dulce, except this is the strawberry flavor. Look at that, it's got a little pink bread and some pink bread slime. Not just only looks and smells like this pink strawberry pan dulce, it looks like a handful of cotton candy, you guys. Look at this. Oh, wow. They knocked it out of the park again. It is a perfect cloud slime. It's thick. It's got this amazing flow to it. It almost looks a little bit like spider webs. The pink pan dulce definitely smells very similar to this one. This one had more of just like a bread scent. This has the strawberry and the bread. Little charm here. It is just delicious. It's making me want to run to the bakery and get one of these. I like to toast them and put a little butter on them. But look at that. I mean, it's either like a cotton candy slime or a bread one. The end of this video. Not only is this table looking amazing, it smells so good, you guys. The room, it smells like cinnamon, it smells like bread, candy, delicious. I cannot pick a favorite with these. I know my least favorite is this blue one, just because it wasn't stretchy enough, but everything else was amazing. It had great scent, it was really good quality. Loved it. And now that you guys have seen all of these, I am super curious and would love for you to leave me a comment. Which was your favorite out of the 6? I hope you enjoyed. If you guys want to see similar vids, you can click right here on the left. If you want to subscribe to BubblePOP Kids, click this big bubble right here. And I will see you in my next video. Love you! See you guys later.